What's up guys, my name is David and today I want to explain to you why you are not receiving emails on AOL Mail. Well, first of all, I will open Chrome. Doesn't matter what internet browser are using, if you have a Mac, probably you have Safari or Mozilla. However, once you open the internet browser, let's reach mail.aol.com. This is what you have to type in the address bar. Allow me to log in into my account really quick. I have some good news and some bad news why you are not receiving emails. The bad news is that probably your account might be compromised, so I'll recommend to change your password, or maybe there are just some internal issues. So let's check the first and the most common reason why you are not receiving emails. Probably you have a filter. So to check if you have any filters, we have to press on the gear icon from the top right corner, and down below you will find more settings. Let's press on more settings, and on the left side you can find every setting. We have to reach filters, and right now here you can locate and see if you have actually any filters or not on your account. As you see, in my case I have a filter, and sometimes the filter will move the messages, the emails that you receive into your inbox into the trash folder. If you have a filter and you don't remember that you created that, most probably your account might be compromised or hacked. So I'll recommend in this case, if you found the filter here and you didn't create that, I'll recommend to change your password as soon as possible. So let's delete this filter. I will select it, press once on the filter, then press on delete filter is this trash bin icon. So I'll confirm delete. Are you sure you want to delete this filter? Yes, delete. And if you see 0 out of 500, it means that you don't have any filters. What else you can do if you can receive emails? You have to delete your cache history on the internet browser that you are using. To reach that page, we have to press Ctrl and H as in Harry, and here we can find a button, clear browse data, and if we go on the basic, mark all of them, and here is the cache, image and files. Select all time, but if we go to advanced, don't forget that if we mark this one, it will delete also our download history, so make sure you don't have something important there. You can unmark it. And also site settings or hosted app data, or what else, password and other sign-in data. So make sure you disable what you don't want to delete. I'll recommend to unmark all of them and mark just the cache, image and files. And you can press on clear data, but I don't want to delete mine. This is another thing with which you can do to see if that will solve the problem of the emails. Now sometimes they will have problems in their internal database, so you can use another browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome. You can use if you have a Mac, you can use Safari or Mozilla, Internet Explorer. It's up to you. Try with a different browser to see if with a different browser than the actual one that you are using right now, if the problem is still here. And if this problem is happening on your iPhone or your Android and you have the AOL app, what I recommend you to do, the most basic thing, you can uninstall and install the app again, or you can also delete your account from the settings and add your account again. That will not delete your emails, or your account will delete your account only from the smartphone, but will not influence your AOL account. So please let me know in the comment section if you fixed the problem, or if you didn't, leave me a comment and I will try to get to you as soon as possible. And if nobody responded to you yet, I will try to get to you and I will create another video. But the methods I showed you are the most common ones, and they can get solved with these methods. So I really want to thank you a lot for watching, and please have the greatest day you can possibly have.